For this unit plan, I decided to have my students do a pre-assessment, a mid-assessment, and a post-assessment. The pre-assessment was done with no guidance and no information given about opinion writing or what I expected from them. I really just wanted to see what the students could do if I told them to write all that they could about their opinion. So for the purpose of those 3 assessments, I chose 3 students that we will be looking into after each assessment so that we can really analyze their growth. So the students that we will be analyzing are students MS, students GH, and student 8W. So this is their pre-assessment. And I told them to write all that they could about which they like better, cupcakes or cookies. So student MS wrote that I like cupcakes because the bottom is the best because it's plain like vanilla ice cream. They have icing. Student GH wrote, I like cupcakes because they come in many yummy flavors. They have sugar, and sugar is yummy. They come in different colors. Finally, student 8W wrote, I like cupcakes more because it can come in vanilla, and I like vanilla. I like the frosting. I like the sprinkles too. So from those 3 examples, you can see the different types of students that we were analyzing, and you can see just in the way they even write and how much they write.